Alright. Hello, hello. Am I seriously doing this right now? I think the answer is yes. Do I really want to be doing this? I guess so. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't. Press the map button. You know, I don't remember if I said this on stream or not
Hey,
yesterday.
now we're good.
We were welcome back, Martin. The stream has started.
Okay.
I don't remember if I said this on stream yesterday or not, but the first button I pressed, which was the map button, I didn't quite realize that it existed for the rest of the game. I'm gonna go, I think, find, oh man, what button to throw? There it is. Z and Q. Yeah. I want to go find this storm drain right here. It says there's one there. There's one here.
Button. Okay.
So I think the concept is I will survive. See, there's a map in the game.
There is.
Literally. Oh no, it even has like blue dots that tell me noises, so like I kind of know where they're at. And it also shows where I died. Imagine if I wasn't stupid and remembered that there was a map.
Tired.
Also, my yeah, if I wasn't tired. What do you mean tired? I'm not tired. What
Oh,
happens if I
tired.
don't make it to
kind
that
of tired
symbol?
last night.
No. I wasn't tired last night. It was
Okay.
like it was not that late. I wasn't tired. I've already lost track of where I'm going. I'm gonna be so real. Oh, I can't make it up there. Wait, do I have to go the long way around? Did I screw myself? Am I basically just starting over?
Really? It felt weird.
Oh, it's fine.
Kinda like-
I'm a professional. This time I won't get caught. Num 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 num.
This is not here. Fuck.
Num num.
Oh, because that's not the
num,
one.
Num 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 num.
Stara.
Num num num
Den
num.
stara.
Is there another one down here? No. Okay. Let me
Den
go.
stara.
Yeah. Nope. Get over here. Oh shit. He escaped. Hua! I am built different. Yeah.
Ja. Ja. Den stara.
Wait. No.
Rein.
Did I? Wait a second. I just spit out a rock. Wait. If I hold this button.
Oh, you can actually spread the rock.
Oh my god, I can store the rocks for later. Wah! That didn't work. That's amazing. I can put it inside my stomach and take it out. I'm amazing. Now let's see here. If I hold space. Oh, is that food? Maybe I underestimated what the blue circles meant. Yeah, that looks like food. Or things traveling between pipes. This is amazing. Now that I have a map, I'm unstoppable. Watch me. I got fucked up already. This is fine. Ah! Yes! Yes! What if I just store that for later?
Store rocks.
Yeah, right? Where do I go? If I go up and to the left, and then more to the left, and then that's where I died, and then more to the left, and then oh shit, and then back, and then down, and that's where I go. So basically from what I'm understanding, is I just want to go left. What? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh, food. Interesting. Nope. Backflip. Just. Alright. Left. I've already forgotten where I'm trying to go. It's just left, up left, then down left, and then more left. Okay, cool. It's so nice and peaceful when there aren't any enemies. I like. What if I just turned off predators? Oh shit. Ah, fuck.
Is that even an option?
Ah, fuck, I don't know, but he's here. Alright. What? Oh god, they scared me. Left we go. What if I didn't want to deal with this? How would one... Uh-oh.
Go, 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 go. Gotta go back to where you were.
Oh no. Oh no. Wait, I don't know where to go. Okay, he left.
Yeah,
That's horrifying. Oh, he didn't leave, he just...
I had the map
Where am I
box
going
on
now?
the game.
Where am I going now? Down. Straight down. No!
The map doesn't pause the game too.
Oh.
Okay, yep.
Oh, wait, this looks familiar.
Yeah, that's the plant that kill you.
Yeah, what the fuck do I... How close am I? Okay, but I'm like super close to like a living point. What if I... How do I get past it, actually?
Maybe the plant keeping kill. Oh, it's climbing. Why can't it climb?
No, I can't. How do I get past this? Can I just...
How does it?
I could just jump past it without touching it. Oh, good. There's two of them now. Okay. That's exactly what I wanted. If I don't touch the plant, I'm safe. Wait, what do I do here?
Gotta go across, I guess. No.
What if I told you I am an expert that doesn't die?
I'm surprised there's no
Shit,
fall
shit,
damage.
shit, 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 shit. No, 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 no.
Come on. Shelter's right there. Oh fuck. Wait. Oh wait, you're not dead. Okay.
What do I do? The piglet's coming. How am I alive? How am I alive? What do I do in this situation? I need to... There's a tube to the... He's gone. No! No! That was bullshit!
So you left all your health bar trying to fight it, and then you just can't. Oh god.
That was bullshit! He was hiding in the tube! They can hide. Okay, they can. I couldn't tell if they actually could or not last time. Man. Well, now I know how to get past the red vine. And now I know if I see a green light in a tube, it means I'm gonna die. Even if they're still staying. I swear to God, they're evolving over time.
Well, it's an adaptive.
No! Stop. No, what do you mean it's an adaptive environment? You're an adaptive environment. I'm gonna adapt you in a minute. Here we go. You ready? No one can stop me. Well, now I need to get food. I need to get food because I'm, like, empty.
Yeah.
Wiggle, wiggle. And he waddled away.
Wait, did you listen to the Doc song 4?
No, I didn't. It feels
They
like there's
had-
less bats here. Like, am I crazy?
They have a Doc version. They have Doc song 4 now.
What?
They're,
Why?
like very old
Hua!
because they
Delicious.
have a new song about a Doc and Lemonade.
But why?
Version 4.
Delicious. I'm an expert hunter now.
I mean,
Nope.
good aim. Oh, I say that.
Come on down. Come on
Before I-
down. Wait, is this just stuck here now? Oh, I could use it to climb. But if I do this, it's stuck like this forever. Oh, that's interesting new mechanic I just discovered. I need more of you. Okay, I know there's blueberries somewhere on the way. Hello? Can I get out? Okay, new stick. New plan.
And he waddled away. Butter.
No, come back. You don't get to leave me. I get to decide when you leave. This isn't the way I
Cycle
wanted to go.
4.
Where'd my stick go? There's my
Yeah,
stick.
there's different. It's in the wall now. I'm pretty sure. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, but I want to go
Yeah,
here.
because this is cycle 4.
What about it? I was in cycle 4 before. So I know.
I think before you were cycle 1 though,
No.
or cycle 2.
What do you mean by?
yesterday.
Well, it depends what you mean by before.
Yesterday.
Because I mean like the previous one that I just
Yeah, but yesterday.
just died.
I think you were cycle 2.
Yeah. Oh, that didn't work. All right. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. 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 This is inconvenient.
He's back at it with this special game.
What happened?
This is inconvenient.
What'd you do?
This is inconvenient. I'm having a time. He's slowly
That's
getting closer.
Ah. The worm.
What if I told you I don't appreciate your efforts to kill me? What would you say about that, huh?
Too
Well,
bad.
doesn't
I
matter,
think I
you
still
just-
need to. I need to eat. I need to eat more. I think at least one more, right? I literally don't have enough. Can I check?
You need 4.
No, I have enough. I have enough. I have 4.
Yeah.
I think I'm an expert. What in the bloody hell am I supposed to do about this situation? Like, what?
I don't know what the
Wait,
situation is.
no! Yeah, go over there. This situation calls for dire measures. And by that I mean fucking run!
It be like that sometimes.
They'll never catch me. Okay, now I can eat. Well, this is not what I wanted!
Uh-oh. Well, think one is here to kill you.
Not for long. Get fucked. Get fucking juked. He doesn't even know where I am.
Ow.
There's a fake stick here. Wait. I just realized my current predicament. I could just walk past this. No, I can't walk past. I can't just walk past it. 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 I can't. Let go.
I don't know this. I don't
Please!
know this. I'm just hearing this.
Please.
The fuck?
Ah!
Yep. You've been slipped up. A plant slipped you up.
I thought I could just walk past it. I have to run past it or jump past it. That's just I hate this game. Fuck you, little green lizard.
Hey. Don't be doing that.
All I'm trying to do is get to there. I'm like so close to it too. I literally made it into the room with it. Or I got dragged into the room with it probably. It's right fucking
Denied.
there. Okay, I know where to go. I know how to go. I simply need to go.
Are you sure about that?
No.
Good.
I think I'm progressively getting less and less. I wonder if that if the stick is where I left it, stuck in the wall. It's not. Stick in new. It's not there. Hua.
The plot thickens.
Yeah. You're a thickens.
What?
You're a thickens.
Plot thickens.
I'm making plant.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Not on my watch.
Too
where am I
bad.
going?
I've already making plant.
I don't remember where I'm supposed to go. All right, speedrun time. They say you were small and helpless. They say you were just a child. Surprised when they found out that a warrior would soon run wild.
Prepare.
Prepare. Are you prepare?
I am not. Are you?
Nom. Prepare for your prepare. Prepare for prepare. Prepare to prepare to prepare.
Prepare.
Oh. All right. I'm back at it. Oh no, I'm not. I'm not even. This is such a long traveled distance.
Do you hear the sound of my scissors?
No,
Yes.
you don't have scissors. Stop lying to the populace.
Yippee! Scissors time.
Scissors.
Wait, when did I get one of these fellas? Why is he dancing like that? Why is he boogieing? What do I do in this situation? Bro?
You jump.
You joined
Bro.
him.
Would you? Okay. Well,
Yeah, look at this slowpoke.
I like how he can walk backward. Like he can walk on its back.
What? You can?
Yeah, like it literally flipped itself up and like it was walking while his head was backwards. Like he was walking perfectly normal. If his head, like, while being on its back.
I feel safe.
You shouldn't.
Then
Now I
there you
feel
go,
less
like,
safe.
Good.
So now you know the lesson that you just need to run past it.
Mm. That was close.
No.
Come
Now
on.
you do it,
I've
now
literally
you
seen
just-
it before. How do I get in it? Get me in. Oh my god, I'm safe. Am I safe? Do I have to go further in? Okay, I'm safe.
Shelter time.
Oh my god, I made it somewhere.
Shelter time.
And then there's this entire area here that I
Yeah, of course there is.
literally haven't even been in. Where do I go? Where do I go? Okay,
Up.
death. I could go left. I could go up left. I could go here. I could also just traverse to... there. No, I can't. I'm not in that cycle yet. Because I've died too many times. Where is food? Oh, there's a fake one here, too! I don't want to fuck with that. He was hiding in the tube. I don't know what to do about this situation.
Well, now you have a new saving spot. Wait, why is this like a? What was this? A hologram thing?
Everything's horrid.
Oh, there's water now.
Yeah, I'm scared of it. I expect death. I expect that if I stay here, I will die.
Correct.
I mean, with knowing this game, probably, yeah.
Wait, where do I go from here?
How?
Look at the
Oh
map.
my god, I can wall jump? New mechanic learned. Look at this freak. He's stuck over there, and I'm all the way up here now. Wait, is one of these fake?
Yes.
No, it should breathe out. Like, it should occasionally breathe out the leaves, if not.
I thought you meant breathe in real life. What am I supposed... I don't know what that is.
This game really says, hey, don't trust anything.
I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna go find
You
out.
should be.
I bet there's gonna be a monster later that is just like a fruit. And you're gonna try to get the fruit, but then
Oh, I am positive that that's gonna happen. I've got a stick now, though. He can't stop me. Okay, where am I? This whole area just connects. So if I go right... Wait, that just connects to that. No, stop. Okay, so arrows connect within the area. 3 lines go to the next area. Can I get up, please? There is weight. There's some sort of weight to this. Is one of these fake?
I don't think so. It does. There should be like leaves going out of it.
That was fake!
Well, I guess it was. Never mind.
That one, not that one. It was a different
Yeah,
one.
yeah, I see that. Yeah.
Wait. I'm doing something stupid right now. I was going to the thing that I can't even do anything at yet.
Mm.
Let me think. If I sleep now, I could go up, right, up, down, right, up. Nah, fuck that shit. You know what? No, here. You know what? This is what I have to say. Oh, I was gonna try and throw a stick at him. Fuck it. Oh! Is that just Permagon? I made a stupid... I fucked up. I don't know what to do about this. I need to sleep. Sir, could you go away? Thank you. Why do they get more tunnels than me? I think this is utterly unfair. Good night. Can I be done? Alright, I'm gonna get to the gate thing, and then I'm leaving. And then I'm gonna win. I'm gonna make progress.
Are you sure about that?
No. But I am now, that symbol. Which means I match the symbol, there. Which I think means I am God. Yeah, he's just permanently gone. I stabbed the fake vine and it's gone, Martin.
Nice. So now let's go with do it.
Alright. What was that? You know what? Never fucking mind. What do I do about this one? You can't catch me! No! 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 No!
It's so funny to just get roped off in the hole.
Just hearing your screams of terror.
Fuck!
You hear? What should be done is like they cut your mic, so you just you see me, you hear him yelling, and then like you just.
Okay, I don't.
Like-
Is this one back? No,
like
this one's
food
not back.
stalls.
I don't even know where to go to eat food right now.
In the kitchen, ha ha ha.
I'm gonna kill you. You're gonna die now. This is it.
Well, I'm not near you, so I can't.
Okay, that doesn't do what I wanted it to do.
Hey, but I think the only one dying is you.
I think you
I
deserve
agree.
death. Okay, I don't quite know what to do about this. Is it even permanent? It's probably gonna come back at some point. I don't know what to do, because once it latches onto me, I'm like, fucked. There's no sticks here. I'm literally trapped. I want to kill it so that it can't do that again. Okay. I need to eat. Not in real life. Shut up. No, please, for the love of God, just let me go up.
The need for the clarification, though.
Oh my God! Please! What do you mean, danger? No! No!
Oh yeah, that's you kind of stuck in the middle of everything, huh?
I don't know what to do about this. Are the
Can
pink
you
ones? The
go-
pink ones haven't even hurt me yet. They're I know they're gonna kill me. Like there's no ifs ands or buts about it. They're gonna kill me. Or will they? Okay, I need to get up. So what exactly am I doing? I need to go. Fuck. I need to get to a completely different resting zone. All the way over there? How do I get there? I could take this way. Okay. I think they tried to grab me. Where am I trying to go again? Right, right, up, up. Right? To that area. Wait, he's just gone.
Yeah. Well, what did he go then?
Yeah, that's my concern.
Don't know where he went.
What is happening? Bird, what are you? Why do you have a blender going on in the background?
What?
You have like a blender going on in the background.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. I'm doing arts and crafts at the moment.
What does that even mean? Oh God, he's coming.
He's
Yeah,
coming
that too.
specifically for you.
Yeah, I know. Okay, I feel safe here-ish.
Don't.
It says that safety is up that way. It's right. So I need to fucking figure out how to navigate. At least this... It... That doesn't look like safety.
You should definitely go towards it. Fair warning, I don't have your stream pulled up, so I can't see what you're looking at.
Pink slug of death.
They can climb too.
Oh, you should
I know.
definitely go
We
towards
learned
it.
that they can climb.
They can climb the same stick.
Oh, so no matter what, you're not safe.
Yeah, no. The green ones can't climb, but the pink ones can.
Can
What is
I
the
not
objective
even
of this game?
not die?
Oh, fun.
That's what I've gotten out of it so far. Okay,
Survive.
okay. And make it further, I guess. Let me up. Let me in. Let me in. Okay. Oh my god,
I've eaten
progress.
so much glitter in the past hour.
Do you see that? Progress. It also shows me the sticks and stones that I know about. So if I go left... Ah, shit. I've done this so many times. I already know. I've seen it before, haven't I? Is this new? I don't
It's
know.
cute though.
You're cute. Nah. Okay, I've made it to to the 3 thing. I go down, I go left, I go through the area where the 2 guys were fighting, I go left, I
And
cry.
you go to the door.
What does that connect?
You cry and you go to the door.
Oh, does it connect there? It connects to there.
Feel that one.
Doesn't make sense. That connects somewhere I haven't been. But if I go up, I can go to the gate. Sure. Why not? You know what? No, I'm not fucking with the green plant. Man! I needed to go that way. There's so many over there. There's so many over there. What? Okay. This is a different area. I don't want to be in here.
Well, what'd you go there then?
Because the other route was blocked by, him.
Monster. I feel like the ladders in the back definitely have something to do.
No. No. Okay, that connects. If I could get up from here. I can't get up from here, can I? I keep going further down. Just to survive.
You've been here before though.
Yeah, I know. This is part of the area I was running in circles in for a while.
I like how you can hear the birds, you can hear the blender, you can
What?
hear a lot of things.
What was that?
What?
Oh, do I follow it?
Oh, I think the blender you're talking about is me
It's right
sitting
there.
a needle
It's
on
sitting-
the table aggressively
It's
by
sitting. It's
accident.
sitting on. There it
I
goes.
see.
The
What
birds
is
just
that?
flew overhead though, so
I
that
don't
that
know
one
what that
that
is.
one would definitely be the birds.
This area
Yeah.
all connects to itself, and if I go down, it connects to that area.
So
So
there's
what I
a
really
weird
want
new
to do
animal now.
is, I guess I want to go back.
Why is there a squid with blue?
What?
I don't know what you're talking about. How do
Oh,
I?
oh wait, that looks like a cockroach too.
Welcome back to the ASMR channel.
I don't want to be here.
Arts
I don't
and
wanna, I
crafts.
really just don't want to be here. Like, this is not the place I was expecting to be at this point in time. Like, nope. Where am I now? No, this isn't where I want to be. Stop it. What if I connect to this one and go up? That's also not where I want to be. I feel safer up here than down there, though. What if I, how do I get back up? How do I up? Uppies? Uppies. He's not hiding up here, is he? No? The blue one? No, he's not. I don't see him in here either.
Had to go back.
Literally, this was a dead end.
Well,
What?
yeah.
He's up there? I need to go up there! How did he get up
Rage,
there?
good luck. I need to go put my.
I literally...
my
Okay, if I could go
craft
to the
supplies
right...
away.
Can you put a
Have
stick in the
fun.
wall and then reach the stick?
Oh. That's a fairly good point, but also...
It might be too high.
Yeah. I think I need to do this. Oh! No, fuck him.
Figured something out.
Yeah, I did, but I'm not going that way anymore, because he's there. And fuck him. Okay, what happens if I eat these? Bad things. Bad things happen. Okay, don't eat the random mushrooms.
What just happened?
I'm so slow.
Oh, that's what. You get food.
Oh,
now.
wait, or maybe it's a good thing. Maybe it slowed down time.
It could be that.
I don't know if it slowed me down or it slowed everything down. Food is that way. I don't know if it's just me that slowed down. It doesn't matter. I sped back up. What do I do? He's literally guarding the place I need to go. Oh, no.
Sounds unfortunate. Oh. Bird left.
How did I dodge that? I've been around out of time. This was gonna be a problem in a minute. I'm literally following him. This is not what I want to be doing.
No. Pu.
No, no, no! Okay, well, that's it. I have one more chance. I have the shield. Okay. What if I take a stick this time? Where do I need to go? Down, left, fucking just left from that area. Where I just died. Wait, the flower, did it drop there? If I get back to where I was, what happens? Because it looks like... I don't trust that green plant. I really don't. They're all gone. Yeah, the flower's where it was. Oh! I didn't even notice he was there! This worked out in my favor. This worked out very in my favor. The flower is there. If I could get back to the flower, I'm gonna have another, like, safety net.
Hmm.
I just need to get all the way up and around before they notice me without accidentally fucking up by like falling or something. Oh yeah, I got my shield back.
Nice.
Right, and this is where I was like, pink seems bad, and then we went up to pink anyway. And then we were here, and we were like, what the fuck does any of this mean? And I'm like, I don't really care, I just need to survive. And then we went to here, and we were like, bad news, bear.
Bad news, bear. Is your bear that just gives you bad news?
Help?
The bear that delivers bad news. Yeah, door's opening. You got it. Good job.
How do I get down? Over the weird, scary-looking plant. Down the tube. Left. Wait. I don't have any food. Can I hibernate even without food?
Maybe, I mean, if it's for shelter, I think you can. I don't know, we'll see. Good to check, but I don't know.
No. No, I can't.
Well,
I fucked up. I think I'm like... Blue!
okay, yep. Is your mic completely cut?
I screamed the word blue. He can fucking climb walls.
Yeah. Blue, indeed.
Oh no. Wha- Wait. Wait. Oh, and he has a tongue.
He's Yoshi. He's Blue Yoshi.
No. Stay the
Yeah,
fuck
he is
away.
Blue Yoshi.
Stay the fuck away. Stay the fuck away. Okay.
What if he doesn't want to?
That's too bad. Please. Please. One more. I need one more. Oh, pink. No, this area is not worth it. Up.
Up. Boop.
There's nothing here. There's nothing here. There's no food. I saw bats. I know I saw bats. I was scared of blue.
Was there bats? I didn't see the bats.
Okay, up we go.
Where were the bats?
I don't remember. I just saw them. Pink? Sure, why not? Well, of course, because it's just, you know, have a pink.
Pop, 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 pop.
I have found death.
That doesn't sound nice.
No, I can do this. I can do this. No, 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 no,
You
no,
seem to be
no,
enjoying yourself.
no, 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 yes.
Bam, bam, bam.
Okay. It's out of time. Um, um, rain is coming. Rain is coming. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, hide! I live here now! Oh my god. Ay, ay, ay. I blue. No, I think I wanted a nice casual game to relax.
You're the one that picked. Let's like still decide to go with it.
Okay. Well, the good news is I'm safe now, and now I have a new area saved, right?
Should be, yeah.
What do I... Do I keep going?
Possibly.
Oh, no. Okay, well now I'm not afraid to die. I should be, but I'm not. Let's go discover new things. No, take a stick. It had a greener. Cycle 8, Industrial Complex. Seaweed is always green. Somebody else's lake. Think about going up there. That is a big mistake. Yeah. Look at the world around you. Here on the ocean floor. What are you waiting for? Whoa! Under the sea. Under the sea. Down where it's winter, it's always better. Take it from me. This game gives me anxiety. I don't want to be playing it. But here I am, going through tubes and looking for worms or something like that. I don't remember what my objective is. I'll eat this. Why not?
It seems close enough.
I think that was useless because I already had one. Okay, well, I feel like I wasted that. It'll come back eventually. In like 12 cycles.
Will it?
I don't know. Hope so.
Yeah.
There's a pearl in there.
Oh yeah, there is.
Do you think it's friendly?
It's kind of hidden, so maybe
This is mine now.
eat it.
I'm gonna. Alright.
You did it. Good job.
It's in my... Do you think that's like a safe storage? Like if I die, it'll still be there? I'm not even gonna bother with that red thing. I don't want to know. Do you want to know? Yes, I need to know. Man, I am going up.
You're progressing at least.
Am I?
I mean, looks like it.
Bats. Well, now I know where food is. What do I do with this information? I should just explore the area so that it shows up in the map later.
Ba, 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 ba.
And also so I can hibernate. I don't want to throw my stick, because if I do, it'll be gone. And that stick's an important stick. You
It's
see,
a key stick.
it is. So I can just keep doing this. How many do I have? 3? Come on, one more. These guys aren't very smart, but neither am I, so that's okay. Alright, down we go. This doesn't feel like the right way, so... The pearl in my belly, I continue. This feels unfamiliar. I haven't seen like any predators, which scares the hell out of me, by the way. Oh. Okay. Watch one of these hideouts be fake at one point. Wait, did I explore this whole... Oh no, I have to the right to go. Okay, but I know that there's this one. Is that the top? Can I not go any higher? The survivor.
Yeah. So you fully evolved.
The fuck does that mean?
Guess.
I am my god? I think that means yes. Alright, let's figure this out. Down, right, right. Help. I'm sliding down tube. This whole area new? No, but that is. Whoa, this just goes. It's a long
There
tube.
it goes.
There's a shiny blue here. Wait, what do I do in this situation? Aside from die, you can have the shiny white. Honestly, it's yours.
I don't need it. Just take it.
I have a shiny blue. I think I win. You know what? I need to throw it. I'm sure that there's some objective with all of those at some point. But hear me out. Not now. Oh, what do
Not
you
yet.
mean? What do you mean danger above? You know what? I've come to terms with the fact that I'm gonna die in here. Like that's a no-brainer. Looking at my current situation, there is no answer aside from death.
That is true.
I thought I could kite him. I was wrong. He's faster than me. He's better than me. He's smarter. He knows more.
He's harder to know.
Oh God, no! This is not the situation I want to be in. Ooh, get juked. Get fucking juked.
Get juked.
There's something out here that's gonna kill me. Stick. Stick of safety. Oh! 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 Holy shit!
What the fuck? Oh god. What is happening? Oh.
We go this. We go
Uh,
down this tube, actually.
Okay. So Cube Evil, got it.
How do I bypass cube?
That's something for you to.
Alright, I'm gonna run. They can't possibly get me if I just fucking run. That seems to have been the answer. What? Okay. I accept defeat. Well, I think that's the end of my journey for today. That was another 50 minutes of Rain World, and I think I am gonna go sit in a corner and cry now. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.